Introducing the 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined six-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, adjustable pedals, a roof rack, rear wipers, and power windows. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate no matter how far the drive. Curtain airbags combined with standard stability control in creating a comprehensive safety network. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.